Hello dear friend, there is a major update for OBS Studio. No OBS Studio 31.0.1 is available. You see, we are now in the site of on the website of OBS Studio here. Here you can read all features etc. Now we come here to download here. First here this is the our version here. You see the window release of OBS Studio support window 10 and 11, and you can download this for Linux, Windows and Mac OS, dear friend. From here you can get it from Microsoft. You can download zip. Here you can read all etc, and here we can read any news. If you want to read about OBS Studio, you know OBS Studio is the best screen and video recorder capture tools. It's the most of the professional 90% of YouTuber use only OBS Studio for their production, dear friend. Here you can read about help, feedback, forums, all here forums, and you can contribute to OBS Studio because OBS is the one of the best free open source software. So we must donate when we start earning through OBS Studio. You see here you can download for Mac OS, here Linux. Otherwise from Windows, from here from Windows you can download here. Okay, dear friend, we come to our OBS Studio. If you have already OBS Studio, you have to come here. You see, we are inside OBS Studio. Here tool, this is a help. In help, you have to come here. Here you every crash report, check file integrity. Here check for update. Once you come here, check for update, you see actually this is the our update, dear friend. We just click here, you can read here what's the update about. This is the main features. These features, main new features have been added NVIDIA blur filters and background blurs here, added a preview scroll bar, zooms, scale indicators here, added V210 format support for AGA driver captures, added Amazon IBS server integration, added this QSV A1 screen content coding. This is the enable first party YouTube chat features. Now it has been enabled inside OBS Studio, dear friend. Dear friend, listen till the end. We will update OBS Studio and we will learn how we can capture screen hour, how we can go live, how we can add scenes and we can add sources. Once you learn OBS Studio, you can do a lots of thing inside OBS Studio, dear friend. If you are a content creator, you want to learn OBS Studio, you are at the right place. We have a playlist you can go and see. And today's tutorial we will learn step by step. First we will download, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial about OBS Studio update, dear friend, and the tutorial about OBS Studio. Here we can read that there are bug fixes. You see fixed two crashes with OBS Studio. These are actually the bug fixes. And here you see changes. Some changes have been made inside OBS Studio. Updated the browser source docs here, Chromium to version here. Change scene item to use relative coordinates. Split NVIDIA auto filter from noise suppression. This if you use NVIDIA audio effects, it's a good to update. Change display and window capture on Linux. There are this is for Linux here, and you can read one by one here everything's. A fixed crash on Mac. This fixed crash by a malformed scene collection files here. Fix a possible deadlock. All these are the bug fixes. But this 31.0, this is the main features inside OBS Studio here, dear friend. Click here, update now. Allow to. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have to click yes. Now we are downloading OBS Studio here. So we will very soon start OBS Studio now updating, waiting to OBS to close. We will close the OBS Studio, then we will again open it. Hello dear friend, we have just updated our OBS Studio. You can check from here. We come here, help, here about OBS Studio. You see now we have updated OBS Studio 31.0.1 64-bit, and these are the top our contributors here. And we just close and we will learn how to use OBS Studio now for display captures. First you have to add scene from here. You see here scene to capture. I have already added scene 1, scene 2. From here you want capture. Okay, I have created scene 1 I am using, so I will use it. And you can rename scene from directly from here. And you see remove scene from. If you want to rename, direct F2 will click and directly from here you can rename. From here we will come here, we will add our display captured. Here you can add video capture, window captures. Here when we come here, display capture, actually you have to just click and you can rename. Okay, once you will click okay, your display will be appeared here. After that, you have to add here audio input through which you will speak and I am speaking now. So audio input, you have to click here. Okay, you can rename from here. You can type anything, whatever you want. You can directly rename. Once you will okay, you will click and you have to choose from here. For example, I have Blue Yeti mic through which I am speaking now. I will click here and okay, once it okay, you will click and it will appear here. Once it will appear here, you have to click here and filter. You see there are several points here: rename, remove, order, hide in mixer. You can hide. I want to add filters. Once your audio input capture is added here, and you can directly add filters to it, because a filter will clean your sound. We'll just click and three band equalizer will add. It's okay, I will put this to default. And after that, we will add compressor will compress your sound. It will be not more attacking, it will be not more slow. It's no, I will put it to default. I will not touch this too much, but you can touch a little bit. You can change expander, we can add. Now we have added expander, ratio, threshold, attack, release, output gain. And from here we can add gain here. It will okay, gain you can add little bit, but it's okay, I will put in default. Default is the best, but you can try. Invert polarity you can add, it's not so important. No preview available. You can delete if you want to delete. I will remove it, I don't want it. Okay, just remove. And now I want to add limiters. I will add limiters. It will limit the sound. This default is okay this point, and you can change little bit, not too much. If you add too much, it will be distorted actually. Your sound will be distorted. A noise gate you can add. It will clear noise. It close threshold. It's only on default value by OBS Studio. It's the best, I think. It is okay. And from noise suppression is very important. When it will be very high noise, it will suppress. We will use it. There are two types here. You see, so CPU is slow, very low configuration. You can have low. I use okay. Once. And after that, you have to upward compressor. You have upward compressor. If your sound will be too much high, it will compress that upward sound. You see, this is actually are the default setting. It's very important to share these for good quality of video, dear friend. Okay, it's once it's okay, you see we have added, we will just close here. Now after that, we have added audio or input capture here, display capture, and we will come here, add our webcam. Come here, video webcam. Here I can write webcam trial. For obvious, we have trial. Okay, we will just click here. Okay, we will take here webcam. I have webcam now. Once I click here, okay, it will appear here. You see now, I am here inside our room. We will make it smaller, like in this way. You can change. Oh, we have cut up, we can come 100% we can crop. Once we have added this webcam, from here we have to add crop filter. Crop here because I want to crop our room. You see everything is visible. I want to use it as our talking head video. We'll come here, filters, we'll add filters. So will add filter to our video, and we'll just click here, and here we'll come here webcam here, and we'll add filter. Actually we will add filter to I want to add filter to crop and pad. You can color grade, you can background. From here you can do everything, lots of things here you see, but we learn today in our class. We crop. Okay, now we can add here. For example, I want to add 200 something crop. 400, 570, 519 something. You can type 600. You see we have crop almost. From here you can crop 100, 200. You can try by your way. Try 250. Okay, we have crop. Now I want to crop our right side. I will type. Okay, it's okay. You see, ideal we have crop now, and we will close it. See, we will close, and we can drag anywhere, and you can drag from a smaller. And you see this corner, you do this corner, all this corner, you see here, like in this way, you can make a smaller, you can put anywhere. For example, I want to put here, you can put to this corner, you can put this corner, make bigger, like bigger. You will make this smaller like this. I can put somewhere. It's okay. And here, from here, if you don't want to see yourself on your the screen, you will just click here. You see invisible. It will be invisible. Invisible from here you can lock. It's a no lock. It will be not change accidentally. But when you are recording, if you want to see it's visible, you can click from unlock. If you unlock, you can make. Once you lock here, you can't make change. See, I can't make change. Try yours. You can put any. The same way, you can add filter to your audio. Come here. You see, we have you can add from here like this. Eraser and war noise in there, everything. Air compressor we have added. This will be default. Okay. Settings I put always on default quality, but try, but don't touch too much. It will distort your quality. I don't change it. Here I have noise threshold, noise gate. This provide the best quality. In OBS Studio is only one screen recorder where you can get the best quality of your screen recorder and sound. Here you see better noise suppress. If your CPU is strong, use this good quality. More CPU says it is more. But your CPU is not low specs, low quality. It's low CPU, low quality. But I use hot compressor to see the threshold. Try change yourself. It little change for your sound, but I'm not the expert. It's default. This default setting for band equalizer, compressor, expander, gain, limiter, noise gate. All these are very ideal and best for your good quality, which I am speaking. So, yeah. Dear friend, if this class is useful, please subscribe the channel, write in the comment box which type of tutorial do you want. We have a lots of tutorials about video editing softwares, Cadence Live, DaVinci Resolve playlist there. But there are lots of software update. Subscribe the channel for software and share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial, dear friend. Nowadays I am working hard, and when I don't see subscription, like, comment, actually disappoints me a lot, demotivate. Please subscribe, write, comment for more tutorial. If you want, I stay on this YouTube, dear friends. You have to subscribe, like, comment, shares, and you can spread this channel to the wider audience, dear friend. So actually this all everything is okay here. We will just close. You see, no idea. Here put this talking head video and audio capture in, everything is okay. And here you see, click here. Now I'm recording, so if I stop, it will stop recording. From here you start and stop recording. And live streaming, we will have soon tutorial about how to live stream. You can live stream from here. Studio mode, if you click, it will be like a studio mode. It modes here. Once I click here, you see I have two modes, studio modes here. This is a program sim, so it's very good for live streaming. We just close here, dear friend. So this is our tutorial for OBS Studio today, and we have updated OBS Studio. After this update, our OBS Studio is working so good. Dear friend, don't forget to update this. After this update, your OBS will be more stable. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.